guys, it's Josie, and today I'm going to be dyeing my old Converse. So I've had these for a couple years now, and I've only worn them a handful of times. So I decided that I was going to dye them because I've been wanting green Converse. So instead of buying a new pair, I'm just going to dye these beige ones green. There's some branches or leaves around the Converse logo on the side here, but other than that, they're just plain beige Converse. I got the dark green RIT dye as well as the RIT Color Stay dye fixative. I already took the laces out of these, and now I'm just going to tape with some electrical tape around the soles here. And this isn't gonna be a tutorial necessarily, I just wanted to show you guys how I was doing it. So let's just get right into the video. Now that I've taped the bottom of my Converse, I'm going to put Vaseline on the logo portion just because that's easier, and I'm not really too worried if it turns out green. And then I'm going to add in my salt and my dish soap to the bin so that when my hot water is ready, I can just pour it in and the water won't cool down at all while I add the other stuff in. I'm also going to make sure that the Converse themselves are wet before I add them into the bucket of water and dye. This is what the Converse look like now that they are done. So again, the logo on the side did turn a little bit green, but once again, I was totally okay with that, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below or leave a comment on what you want to see next, and have a nice day!